Bonjour et bienvenue à la chaîne Begin French with Richa. So in today's video, we will learn about les adjectifs possessifs, which means the possessive adjectives in French. So what are these possessive adjectives in English? These are my, your, his, her, are, their. So why these are termed as a possessive adjective? As such words represents the things being possessed, like my car, like my house, your brother, etc. So in this video we will discuss some of such possessive adjectives along with the examples. So look at the first category of the possessive adjective is my. So my is a possessive adjective. In French we have these three different words mon, ma, me representing my. Mon, ma, me for a single word my. So where we will use mon must be used with the nouns which are masculine in nature and which are singular. That for example, suppose if you have to say my book, so livre, book is masculine and it is singular, so you will say mon livre. If you have to say my brother, so brother is naturally masculine, so you will say mon frère. If the brother is singular, mon frère. So mon must be used with the masculine singular noun. Now the ma again representing my. So suppose if you have to say my house, so house is feminine in nature and it must be singular, my house. So you will say ma maison. So like this, with other feminine nouns which are singular, you can use ma maison. Now this may is to be used with either masculine or feminine, but the noun must be like plural. So suppose if you have to say my books, so you will say mes livres. If you have to say my cars, mes voitures. So the noun which is being possessed must be like plural, either masculine or feminine, representing my. Now the second category is your, and this your is to be used with the French word tu. As you may know, in French we have two different words for you, tu and vous. So here we are talking about only tu form. So if you if you are having an example with the of tu, so the possessive adjective will be ton, ta, te, representing this tu form. Your, ton, ta, te, your, ton, ta, te, representing your, must be used means according to the meaning of this tu form. So ton is again like must be used with a masculine singular nouns. Suppose if you have to say my brother, if you have to say your brother, so it will be ton frère. If you have to say your book, so it will be ton livre. Similarly, ta. For ta you can say your sister, so it will be ta sœur. Your sister, as a sister is feminine, so you can use this ta. Now this tes must be used with either masculine or feminine, but it must be in the plural format. So how you can use, if you have to say your books, so it will be tes livres. Your houses, tes maisons. Here houses must be in the plural form. You have to put an s, maison, tes maisons, but s will not be to be pronounced. Tes maisons. Now the next category representing his or her. We have again these three different words: son, sa, c'est. Representing his or her. So must be used with the masculine singular again. Like again, his book or his notebook, suppose son cahier. son cahier, his notebook, son cahier. You can also say son livre. You can also say son frère, his brother. Now, sa you can say sa voiture, his or her car. So here we are using sa according to the gender of the car. Sa. So here sa representing his or her both. So we are using sa as voiture is feminine. Sa voiture. Now say must be used with either masculine or feminine, but if you are using in the plural form, so how you can say livre, say montre. Montre means wristwatch. His wristwatches. Say montre. Now, we will talk about some exceptions also. In feminine category singular nouns, we are using ma, ta, sa table. Ma, ta, sa. Either ma, either ta, or either sa we are using with feminine singular nouns. But if the feminine singular noun is beginning with a vowel, only singular noun we are talking about. If any singular feminine noun is beginning with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, including silent h, ash, mu, e, then instead of using ma, ta, sa table, we will use mon, ton, son. Look at the example. Suppose if you have to say Ami, A-M-I-E. Ami is a female friend. So here it is a feminine noun. So instead of using my friend ma Ami, ta Ami, sa Ami, we have to use mon Ami, ton Ami, son Ami. My friend, your friend, his or her friend. Now another example we can take is histoire. Histoire is beginning with H. H is an example of ash, mu, e, silent H. So with this also, histoire is feminine singular, but we can't use ma, ta, sa. We have to use mo, ton, so. Suppose if you have to say histoire is a story or a history. So if you have to say my story, we will say mon histoire. We can't say ma histoire. Mon histoire. Then ton histoire. Son histoire. Why we are using mon histoire? So there is a pronunciation technique I have been given in the number of my videos that the vowel and the consonant sound must to be linked. Mon histoire, ton histoire, son histoire. So these are some exceptions linked with the possessive adjective of ma, ta, sa. So in the second part of this video, we will discuss some more possessive adjective which is being left. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, so please do share it with French language learners and do subscribe the channel as well. To hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.